What's up, foodies? Today we are making one of my favorite Greek salads from Greece, and it's not a Greek salad. We are making a Greek beet salad. The result is a refreshing and colorful salad that can serve as a perfect side to a dish or a light main meal. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. I am doing a series of cooking videos with them. It's a 45-year-old Alberta company that is dedicated to the cleanest, best tasting fresh products. Many of the products come from farm direct relationships, and they are organic. Who doesn't love organic? They have provided me with some sheep yogurt from Aveeno. Aveeno found that sheep's milk to be creamier and tastier and packed with more proteins and vitamins and minerals. Now Aveeno offer a variety of sheep milk products like feta cheese, sharing their healthier, delicious alternatives with customers. This is an easy recipe you can put together in a few minutes, so let's get into it. Peel and dice about 4 to 5 beets, roughly 1 pound or 456 grams, into bite-sized cubes. Now you might want to wear gloves for this. It is going to be a bit messy. You don't want to stain your fingers. Ow! Freaking hurt. Now let's make the dressing. In a bowl, combine 250 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, pick your favorite one, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then 1 to 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. For people who like a milder garlic flavor in their dressing, use roasted garlic instead of raw. Roasted garlic is sweeter and less pungent, which can complement the sweetness of the beetroot nicely. Whisk the ingredients together until the dressing is well combined. Adjust the salt and pepper accordingly to taste. If your yogurt dressing is too thick, you can thin it out with a little water or milk until you reach your desired consistency. This can make it easier to coat the beets evenly. Now in a large bowl, combine the beets with the yogurt dressing. Now gently toss your beets until evenly coated with the dressing. Wearing gloves you can here because it's going to stain your hands again. Then sprinkle with 100 grams or 3/4 of a cup of coarsely chopped walnuts or pistachios over the salad for added crunch and flavor. Walnuts offer a lovely texture and earthy flavor that pairs well with beets, but also pistachios can add a pop of color and a slightly sweeter taste. You can serve the beet salad immediately or refrigerate for a short time just to let the flavors come together. There you have it, my Greek beet salad. You can enjoy this as a refreshing, nutritious side or a light meal on its own. The color of the salad's amazing and bright purple. Make sure you try this at your next get-together and really impress your guests. Hey foodies, did you know that only 4% of you guys who are watching are actually subscribed? Join the Foodie family by hitting the subscribe button below. Let's bump up that number and keep the delicious recipes coming. Thank you for your support. It really means a lot to me, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, Foodie out.